Hi guys, and welcome back to this journey towards excellent exam results. In these shorter revision videos, we are going to be breaking down different concepts within the GCSE geography specification. The aim of this is to help us understand the concepts better and to give us the information and confidence we need to answer exam questions. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the rise of the new economy in the UK. Okay, let's get started.
So the new economy that has risen after the decline of the old one can be categorized into two different categories here. And I have summarized one under low salary new economy, and then the second one, high salary new economy. Now the example for a low salary new economy is Dinnington, which is in the north of the UK, like we had mentioned earlier. Now, the people that lost their jobs in the northern mining towns of the UK, such as Dinnington, needed to find employment elsewhere. However, most of them had only ever worked in the mines, in the coal mines, and therefore they were unskilled for the job market that they had come out into. So they either needed to retrain or work for low-paid unskilled jobs such as care workers, delivery drivers, working in retail and shopping centers, and so on. So a lot of jobs in those areas were also part-time, and some were located in the bigger towns surrounding those areas, such as Sheffield and Doncaster. Now that meant that people had to commute to work, which was an added expense, which actually becomes quite a problem because as it is, they are not being paid that much. So a lot of these places, as a result of all this, experienced deprivation, leading to increasing disparity between them and other areas such as London, Canary Wharf, where there is a high salary new economy. Okay, so moving on to that high salary new economy, the example being Canary Wharf. The UK government decided to encourage the growth of the tertiary and quaternary sectors of industry after the decline of this old economy. So both of these here, as in tertiary and quaternary, are in the service sector. But the knowledge economy requires a lot more specialized knowledge and skill. So this is acquired through a university education, and graduates with a law or accountancy degree will therefore work in firms like JP Morgan in Canary Wharf and will earn over £100,000 a year. So these two sectors of the economy will also offer other benefits, such as the ability to work from home, so you can save on transportation or commuting costs if you like. And this provides advantages such as flexible working hours, less stress and expenditure from commuting. It will alleviate, the child care costs, because if you're working from home, then it means that you can, care for your children at the same time. It also provides better health and generally a better quality of life. However, it may be difficult for companies to manage and motivate people that are working from home. For the employees, they may feel that they're always at work because home is where they work from. So that can be a bit stressful as well. So the work from home culture and the fact that there is no need to transport raw materials and manufactured goods in and out has also led to companies that are footloose. So footloose companies or organizations are those that are not tied to location. So they can locate anywhere. Just the way, some people can work remotely, these companies can locate anywhere and still be able to thrive. So what are we saying then? We are saying that the new economy rose after the old economy declined. However, there were disparities in this new economy because in some parts of the country, that new economy comprised of very low salary jobs, and then in other parts of the new economy, there were a lot better paid jobs, and where people in those particular areas, such as Canary Wharf, have a much better quality of life.
That brings us to the end of this video on the decline of the old economy in the UK. I hope that you have found the information useful. I have also done a video covering the whole of topic 5 on UK's evolving human landscapes. It will pop up as one of the suggested videos at the end of this one and can also be found in the UK Evolving Human Landscapes playlist. Videos on all the other subtopics within this topic are also in the playlist. Thanks once again for joining in this journey towards excellent exam results. All the best and see you again soon. Bye-bye.